welcome to Paper Crafting with Tammy. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. It is awesome to see you here. I have a great project for us today that we're going to start on in just a minute. If you haven't done it yet, take a minute and hit that big red subscribe button so you see what else I've got for you next time, and let's get started. Hey everybody, today I'm going to be sharing with you the calendar that I created using all of the monthly Kiwi Club kits. I save my scraps and I always go through and create a calendar page to kind of show what the templates were that month, and it just helps me remember the color palette, and I really enjoy the club kit, so this is just a fun way for me to use just a little more of it up. So this will be my January page. And feel free, of course, to pause at any point. You're welcome to copy any of my ideas or layouts. So I just wanted to give you a little more idea of how this can be done. Let me scooch that up a bit so you can see the bottom. I often will create a border to go maybe at the top and the bottom of a page, or at the top and then near the month. Just kind of watch for that as we're going. I do try to make these layouts relatively simple so that I don't spend a ton of time on it, but I so love putting them up every month. So this one will be March. April. So this was actually with the April 2020 kit. Here's the May. We got this great banner template in May, and I had the sheet of printables that they provided to make the word happy there. This cute little picture and the fruit slice. Those were actually, those were also part of our templates in May. This is June. So this was actually the June of 2019 kit. So because the club started in June of 2018, that was the month I made my very first calendar page. So they're always a collection of both years. So they'll span, kind of weird. All right, this was July of 2019. August was a really great travel themed kit. September, this was the 2019 kit called Happy Life. Love the color palette for this, super fun. Came with these really wonderful templates, a whole set of them, all different sizes. We're starting to get into more fall. Love these sentiments. You will never have this day again, so make it count. You are my favorite sweetie pie. This one was November. This was another beautiful kit. It had this great gold foiling on some of the pages and on some of the sentiments. So it gave it a really beautiful kind of formal look. And then December, very wintry. Just pulling a sled full of presents. Love it. Cocoa and Christmas music. So lots of great things that you can do with these calendars. This happens to be a blank calendar from close to my heart. I'm sure that you can get blank calendars in lots of places, but that's been a good source for me. So I have really enjoyed doing this. If you want to see close-ups of any of these pages, or if there's any questions I can answer, please reach out. I hope this gives you an idea of something that you can do with some of your paper scraps and create something really amazing, either for yourself or for somebody else. So Thanks for watching today and have a super day. Take care. Bye-bye.